Hello guys and welcome to my channel The Desi Australian. Today I am in Pune and I will be making some vlogs on the honored Ganpatis or the Manache Ganpati as we know it in Pune. So I am returning to Pune after like good almost a year is what I can say, and I will be shooting some of the sequences for the known Ganpatis here. So just make sure that you keep on following and subscribing to my channel. So as you can see, right now I'm in the Pune Pit, and I'm just standing beside Shaniwar Wada. So I will be making my way to the first Manache Ganpati, which is Kasba Pit. Uh, so yes, there is a lot of traffic, and it seems to be a very grey day, is what I think. Um, and also make sure that you do hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's been a long time since I've made those videos on YouTube because of the pandemic and lockdown, and after some time I'm returning with the videos. So make sure that you stay updated onto my channel, and make sure you share my content as well. It has been really a difficult time with the lockdown, as I was not able to produce any content, and there was no much of you can say um, space to travel, or the wave 2 was disastrous. So there were a lot of things because of which I was not able to shoot those videos. But somehow now I think the pandemic is just getting in control, and I will be starting to produce more and more travel vlogs. Also, in case if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, there is. I also need some support from you folks, and also make sure that you do subscribe to a channel of my friends, which is Lucky's Pop Post Vlog. So you also give some love to him. So let's get rolling with this vlog. So I'm in Pune, and just working right beside the Shaniwar Wada Fort. It is actually the first time that I'm visiting Pune, and during the Ganesh Chaturthi festival. So I'm producing this vlog, and you can see this amazing view which is just right beside me. So you can see the Shaniwar Wada Fort, right besides me. So that's how the fort looks. So we are going to head first towards the Kasba Pet Ganpati, which is the first honored Ganpati, or I can say Manache Ganpati. So we are just heading to Kasba Pet, and we will just see how it is celebrated. However, it is said that the Ganesh Chaturthi, which is celebrated in Pune, is celebrated in a different fashion. So yeah, let's make our way towards that. So I'm just, on my way. Like I'm just standing outside the entrance of Kasba Pet Ganpati, and it is just opposite to the Shaniwar Wada Fort. So it's very easier for you to get here, and it's very popular because this temple is in existence since the Peshwai time, like at least 200 to 300 years old. So I'll just show you how they have decorated this place, and how let's check it out. As you can see, the entrance is quite grand, and there are a lot of people, who are coming around, because today is the second day, so it's very crowded also. I mean, I've been here like way back. I mean, in the past as well, but This time it's very special because it is Ganesh Chaturthi, and normally I've never seen any Ganesh Chaturthi festival in Pune and how it is celebrated. We know how it is celebrated in Mumbai, but in Pune it's quite different. The whole occasion and you can say, the atmosphere is completely different. So this place that you can see that has been built up here, that is the Mandal of Kasba Pet, which is right opposite to the Kasba Ganpati temple. So we are here at Kasba Pet Ganpati, and I think there is a puja that is going on. So we'll try to get some cinematic shots and finally, we have the Kasba Ganpati, also known as Kasba Pet Ganpati, which is quite popular from the time of the Peshwas. And now we will be making our way to the second Manache Ganpati. And the second Manache Ganpati that is on the list is, I believe, Guruji Kali Ganpati, but I'll just make sure I check that, and then we will head. So we are done with finally we are done with the darshan at the Kasba Ganpati, and now we will be heading all the way towards the second Manache Ganpati, which is the Tambri Jogeshwari Ganpati. So we'll just make our way till there and traveling to the page of Pune. So the atmosphere is completely different here compared to the Mumbai's atmosphere. In Mumbai there is a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. It is a bit quiet here, but you can say, it is the capital of Maratha Empire, so you still have that charm. And we are just right outside the Lal Mahal, and you can see this beautiful gorgeous building, I think dating back to the Peshwa time. So we'll just head all the way towards the Tambri Jogeshwari Manache Ganpati, which is the second in the order, the second most honored Ganpati of Pune. So let's just make our way to hustling and bustling. There is a lot of traffic in Pune, and unlike any other city in Mumbai, so you will also see a lot of traffic in Pune as well. And we are right in the heart of the city, which is the paid area. So as I've also stated in my previous vlogs, it is the most busiest part of the city. So the Tambri Jogeshwari Ganpati is right in the second street from here. I think I'll just make my way there because there's a lot of crowd, and there are a lot of vehicles, like scooters and auto rickshaws that are flying around. So let me quickly head there, and then we'll get back. So I think I'm almost near the Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav Pandal of Tambri Jogeshwari Manache Ganpati, and I'm just there's a lot of traffic here, so I don't know. You know, it's very difficult to vlog and walk at the same time because I'm this part of the city is mostly one way, so you have all the vehicles, you know, coming around, and you can just see how chaotic it is. So that's how busy it is, you know. It's almost 12:31, and you know, walk and then to vlog at the same time. So I think that's the Mandal entrance, I guess. I don't know, but I have to explore that next time. Yeah, I think I just found the pendal of Tambli Jogeshwari, which is right in front of me. So let me just cross the street and head all the way till there. Okay, that's what you can see there. So Tambli Jogeshwari Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandal. I think it's pretty much outside and it's pretty visible, and you can see a lot of people around. So as we saw the darshan of Tambli Jogeshwari Manachi Ganpati, that's pretty much it. Now I will be heading to the third honored Ganpati, or I can say the Manachi Ganpati, which is Guruji Talim, which is straight, I think 500 or 400 meters from here. So we'll just go there, and you can see now there is a lot of crowd on the streets. I think people have just stepped out to watch Ganpati and also to have some good time as it's festive season, and yeah, a lot of people are there on the streets here. So I think I need to figure out a way as to how do I you know, head to Guruji Talim Ganpati. It's just like a maze here. Like the more you know get inside, it becomes confusing. So let me reach there, and then I will back to you folks. I'm just en route to the third Ganpati, and it is just like a few meters from here. I just stopped by the you know, Guruji Talim Ganpati temple just behind me. So I was able to get some pictures, and I also recorded some shots. So now I think we are in the Tulsi Bagh market, and I'm just heading to the pandal where the main Utsav Murti or the idol is kept. So let's go there. So guys, finally I've made my way. The third Manachi Ganpati, which is Guruji Talim Ganpati, is here, and this is how, you know, you can see it. have covered the third Manache Ganpati, which is Guruji Talim Ganpati for this vlog, and now we will be heading to the fourth the most respected Ganpati Pandal, which is Tulsi Bagh Ganpati, and also Tulsi Bagh Manache Ganpati. So we are heading to the Tulsi Bagh market here. So as you can see, this is how the entrance looks. So I've been to this place like a couple of years back when I was traveling in Pune just to explore the place. So I've been here but not visited the other pandal. So this is really good, and you should see how it is decorated so well. So just one more Ganpati that we got here, and I will be covering the other Ganpatis later today because I will not be having much of juice left to shoot those videos. So the priority is to first shoot Manache Ganpati or the most honored Ganpati Mandal, and then we will shoot the other Ganpatis, and also we'll click their pictures as well later. But yeah, this is how the quite a place that is in between the market. We are here at the Tulsi Bagh Manache Ganpati here. So let's seek the blessings of Lord Ganesh.
आपल्याकडे होस्टेल गाव या पुढे या
pretty much done with the darshan of you can say the fourth Manache Ganpati, which is Tulsi Bagh. The place is too crowded, just to vlog in here, and there are a lot of people as it's a busy market. So we will be heading to the fifth and the last Manache Ganpati, which is Kesari Bagh Wada, Kesari Bagh Ganpati. And there is a legend behind this Ganpati, that it was the first Ganpati which was founded by Lokmanya Tilak during the freedom struggle of Pune and Mumbai. So it was just founded out to unite the people, mostly the Hindus and the Muslim communities during the independence struggle. So we'll just head all the way towards the fifth and the last Manache Ganpati, which is Kesari Bagh. I'm still on my way towards the fifth Manache Ganpati, and it's quite drizzling out here and still grey. As you can see, this part of the street is almost empty. And these are very light drizzles, unlike the rains that you see in Mumbai. So I think it might take like 5 or 10 minutes for me to walk all the way towards the Kesari Wada Ganpati. So let me head there. It's drizzling, and it's pretty grey here. So I'll just make my way, and yes. So again, it's a shout out to all those people who are watching this video. Make you please people who are watching this video, I've seen a lot of data wherein people are watching the video but they are not subscribing to my channel. So make sure you subscribe, do like and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. Also make sure you subscribe to my friend's new YouTube channel. He's based in Hyderabad, so he's also an IT analyst just like me. So the name of his channel is Lucky's Purpose Vlogs. So I'll give the link in the description, so make sure you subscribe to that as well. So he publishes mostly his videos based on lifestyles, gardening, cooking, and also travel and pet-based videos. So if you are a cinephile, yes, make sure you check out that channel. So the link will be in the description. So yeah, I think there are a lot of places here where there are Ganesh pandals, which I will be covering later during the day because I will be here till evening tomorrow. So yes, there will be a lot of photo shoots and a lot of video shoots as well. So it's started to rain heavily now. So we'll cover all of that. We still have a lot of time left. So let me reach there and then we'll continue with this vlog. So guys, I had to stop somewhere, because it was raining heavily. So I'm still on my way, and now as you can see, the streets are all muddy and like it's still drizzling. So we'll just continue with our vlog. I'm not sure how long it will take me because I don't know that place. I've never been to that place. So we are just about to reach the Kesari Vada Ganpati, the Kesari Ganpati, which is the 5th most honored Ganpati or the 5th Manache Ganpati. And as you can see, it's raining here, so I think I'll have to rush quickly. So I'll just continue the vlog after some time. It has really turned out to be a crazy day for vlogging because I'm not used to vlogging in the rain. But somehow I'm still keeping up so that I can at least cover up the agenda or the places I want to visit for the first half of the day. So Guruji, okay, I think I found the pandal. So this is it. So this video pretty much sums up the 5 most honored Ganpati or the Manache Ganpati in Pune. So this is a wrap for this video, and I hope you have enjoyed watching those 5 most honored Ganpati or Manache Ganpati in Pune. In fact, this was my first experience to vlog during Ganesh Chaturthi for these 5 special Ganpatis here. So I hope you do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It has taken a lot of effort for me to shoot this vlog, right from getting onto the busiest streets and then vlogging in the rain as well. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. Also, Do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest videos from Desi Australian, and also do like and visit my friend's channel. So his channel's name is Lucky's Purpose Vlogs. So it's all about the lifestyle and everything. So just make sure that you do like and watch the channel, and also make sure you just watch the videos and subscribe and do whatever you like. So this is a wrap for this vlog, and I hope everyone is safe in this pandemic, and I wish good health for everyone's health, and wishing everyone a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So this is a wrap. This is your Desi Australian signing off.